What's good, everybody? We have made it to destination number 2. Birthday party was a success in North Carolina. It was awesome. And now we are in Tampa, Florida. Well, I guess technically the hotel I'm staying at is in St. Pete, but I'm gonna be probably spending most of my time in Tampa. Staying at the Moxie in St. Pete is part of the Marriott Bonvoy collection of hotels. If you watch my trip to Portugal, you already knew that. Still stick with my original assessment of the Moxie. Absolutely love it. The vibe in this hotel is second to none. I absolutely love the vibe. It's same here as it was in Portugal. Really fun, chill, very social atmosphere, very party-like, which I really like. The rooms are on the smaller side, but I mean, honestly, if either you're not planning on staying in the room for very long, or if it's just you and you don't plan on doing too much in the room, it really doesn't make that big of a difference. Originally, I was going to Thailand. My bougie travel style hiked that cost for Thailand up way more than what this trip was intended to be. This trip, life has been lifing lately, and I needed to get away. I knew when I took my job in the fire department in Cincinnati that I never really wanted to stay in Cincinnati. Cincinnati is an amazing place and it's come a long way. Not knocking the city. The city's amazing now. It wasn't always as amazing as it is now, but it is come a long way. But I never wanted to live there. I actually lived in Tampa for 6 months and I absolutely loved it down here. I was young, I ran out of money, and I had to go back home. But I always loved it down here. I always love anywhere that has a beach, I call home. Anyway, long story short, life has been lifing and I needed to get away. I picked Thailand because one, my Delta flight credit from the failed trip to Malta covered the flight costs, and then my hotel was only going to be $400 originally. Then I realized that the hotel had like rooms that have swim up pools to the room and just all these extra amenities and stuff that I tried to book. And then on top of that, the thought of flying 16 hours overseas by myself came a little daunting. So I decided to stay closer to home. And then with Aaliyah's birthday, it kind of just all worked out to take the trip that I'm on now. I kind of turned it into, well, even going to Thailand, regardless, this trip is meant to be a kind of like eat, pray, love kind of trip, which I plan on watching the movie tomorrow. It's supposed to rain at some point in time tomorrow, so I'm gonna watch the movie tomorrow. I've watched it once before, but I was so young, I was not in a place to receive it. I know when I watched it the first time around, I think I thought the movie was boring, which it's not. There's a message in the movie, and I think that I'm at a point in my life where that's the kind of message that I need to receive. But yeah, we're here. We're in Florida. Palm trees instantly make me happy, so this trip is already doing what it was intended to be. Not to mention, I absolutely love seeing Ashley and my Pence family. I haven't seen Ashley in quite a bit of time since she lives in California. And then her husband's family, Gerald, is in North Carolina, which is who we stayed with while we were there. Absolutely love all of them, but I don't get a chance to see them that often. And even Ashley's parents, who I lovingly call mom and dad, too, they live in Cincinnati and I still don't see them as much as I should. So this trip is already full of love. I think Tampa's gonna give me the eat part of the eat, pray, love, or maybe the pray part. Yeah, I think my next stop will give me the eat part. This will probably be the pray part because I plan on spending quite a bit of time at the beach while I'm here and bring you guys along the way. But for now, there was a rainbow colored bar within walking distance down the street, so I think I'm gonna check that out, see what it has to offer. And being a Marriott Bonvoy member, when you check into your hotel, you get complimentary free drinks most of the places. Every place that I've been so far. I won't say all of them because I haven't been to all of them, but every place I've been to so far, you get a complimentary drink at the bar if you're a Bonvoy member, which I am, and I definitely have already indulged in that. So might keep the party going, I don't know, but we'll take you along for the ride. See what we can get into. All right. Interesting. This place is, there's definitely no people around, that's for sure. I was right in the seclusion of there not being a lot of people that come here. But, oh, that's cool. Interesting. It's crazy because when I pulled up driving in here into the park, because it's like acres and acres and acres of historical park lands. When I entered the park, there were a lot of signs that said that the hurricanes that came through last year, Hurricane Helena, destroyed a lot of parts of the park, destroyed their piers and stuff. So crazy how easily historical stuff can get wiped away. Okay, before we go to the beach, I know it's technically vandalism, but like, I just love, well, I guess that wasn't too good of a relationship, but I love seeing like all the lovers that come through and mark their love territory. So cute. What is good, everyone? We are at Fort de Soto Park in, I don't know if we're in Tampa or St. Pete. I feel like we're in Tampa.
I mean, they're all right next to each other, so it's all the same. It's actually kind of an island, honestly. When I go out of town, I think I've mentioned this before, I like to go places where not a lot of people go a lot of times. I mean, I'll go to the touristy places too. Don't get me wrong, because I want to see everything. But I like to go to the more secluded places too that maybe not a lot of people know about. And this is one of them. There is a historical fort here, so we're gonna go check that out. But they also have beaches here. So we're gonna go chill on the beach as well. I'm a little mad at myself. I did some retail therapy this morning because what kind of therapy is better than retail therapy? But it was during the sunniest part of the day, and now, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of cloudy. I mean, there's still some like blue skies peeking through, but it's a little cloudy right now. So hopefully Florida does what it does best and those clouds dissipate and then the sun comes back out and we can enjoy it until the sun sets. But yeah. Also, side note, when I go out of town, if I think it's appropriate, I like to rent cars, new cars, just to see what different cars look like and test them out, for my next car. I'm Kia for life, so I don't even know why I'm saying this because I'll be Kia forever. And this is not a car YouTube channel because I don't know hardly anything about cars, but this is a Jeep Compass. Minus the video display, because to me that's a little small, and the key controls are a little weird. But it's nice. So, been out here for a couple of hours. Got a solid chapter of the book written. Sun is still out. It's definitely going down, but that is heading my way. So, just got finished watching Eat, Pray, Love. Amazing movie. Definitely in a better place to receive the message that the movie had than when I was younger, for sure. Definitely not a young person's movie. I didn't have enough heartbreak and life experiences to appreciate what the movie was about, but it had some good stuff in it. Definitely, in a lot of ways, feel like Julia Roberts in the movie. Maybe not coming from failed marriages, but definitely failed relationships. Anyway, good movie. Loved it. Served its purpose for this trip. Now, I think I'm gonna go to the casino. So, we are back in Cincinnati, Ohio. It has been a week. First of all, I had so much fun in North Carolina with Ashley celebrating baby Aaliyah's first birthday. We moved on to Tampa, which was meant to be like a Eat, Pray, Love kind of trip. That was intentional. Definitely got a little of what I needed out of it, but it ended in quite the test from the universe. Had a nice little challenge, nice little blow to my life that has already been a challenge as of late, but we came through it thanks to the family and friends and the people that I have in my circle. And I hope and pray that you all have similar people in your circle. I am in your circle for sure, because I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for y'all. So, mainly, I want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you who have been here, all of you who are new here, all of you that continue to watch and see the adventures of my life that take place. This trip was fun. It was hard. There were a lot of lessons learned, a lot of heartbreak, a lot of tears, but a lot of epiphanies too. So I have now a lot of things coming for the Wanderlust in Life series. A lot of good things. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So stay tuned